the whales. After seeing all this, I said, what I'm going to offer to you the next days.
Gustavo, do you want to be in the photo with him? I'll take it.
This is for you. You
Great photo.
Thank you so much. Beautiful pictures. This. What is your name? Christoph. Too many names I cannot remember in 1 week. I just finished, 1 week with the others, and then too much for me.
Really?
Also come here, believe it or not, the frigates to rings their pigs. Oh, I missed that one.
Oh, I got the
Flamingos taking off, it's amazing.
Oh yeah, the Velvet
Watch out.
Yeah. Okay, baby, keep flamingo, do it one more time.
Chasing it.
One more time, do it. Those are the best pictures ever. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Gracias, pelicans. Because those are two young pelicans.
Pelicans are bullies.
Those are the best pictures ever.
They're baby pelicans.
I know. Created by Pelican Bullies.
Oh my goodness.
That was a cool dive in the water.
I have it. I was seeing what? An amazing afternoon. Every day, every sight you can see in the water on land is so unique. No way how to compare. I really was very worried. I said, okay, Josh, we're going to walk in the lava. We are not going to get to see flamingos because not always we see them. And look, that's why I said over there, we might have a surprise. We might see something. Remember that they are young ones, they are just practicing. The Three Musketeers. This is amazing. After this, we turn around in 5 minutes and we go without any stopping. We go back because we need to travel a lot today. Yes. After dinner.
This is not doing
That is why we're going to have an early dinner today. No. Just when it's very heavy rain day, goes a little bit higher. No. That is when we have this very, let's say, phenomenal high tides once every, I don't know, 6 months or so on. Or, as I said, when we have